Hi there. If you go inside of Google Gemini and go to the most recent model, you will see that there is an element here for generating video. If you go to the pricing page for Google One, which is the Google A subscription, you're going to see that a subscription gives you video generation access to Veo 3. The Pro account or the lower level of paid account will give you limited access. Higher limits are going to be available in the Google Ultra account. You will see that monthly AI credits are going to be available for AI Pro. You will also see that monthly AI credits, higher levels are going to be available CrossFlow and Whisk. Assuming that you may have started with either a trial or the actual lower level of paid account, we're going to click on video and you're going to notice here that Google tells you that we are previewing Google Veo 3. We will be creating an 8-second video. So we can then write in our prompt. Once you write in your prompt, you can then click enter, and then Gemini will attempt to generate your video. You'll notice here that the process is not going to be instantaneous. Gemini states that the video could take 3 to 5 minutes. In order to generate, we are going to stop the video here, and we're going to allow Gemini to go through the process of generating the video. We will come back once the video is complete. What you can then do is you can click on this download video button to download the video clip to your computer.